everyone, it's Liliana from Vanilla Canela here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a few of my favorite things. I have not done this since December last year. I wasn't sure if you guys liked it very much, so if you do like this type of video, please let me know in the comments or give me a thumbs up so I know you do enjoy these videos. Anyway, let's get straight into it. The first thing I want to share with you, I have a basket next to me with all this stuff, is my water bottle. I picked this up from Home Bargains and I'm sure it was something like £2.50. It's a glass bottle and I absolutely love it. It's really easy to clean. It has to be done manually. You cannot put it in the dishwasher, but all I do, I rinse it every day, and then once a week I pop a disinfecting tablet inside, a Milton's tablet, fill it with water, leave it for about an hour and then rinse well, and it keeps on giving. It doesn't take on the flavour. Do you guys notice like plastic bottles sometimes take on the flavour of food or something like that? I really don't like that. So getting a glass one was the best option for me, and I'm so happy with it. So here's my number one favourite. The next thing I want to share with you is this Waitrose Ecological Kitchen Cleaner. It's, let me see, it's a grapefruit and eucalyptus smell. I liked this. The reason why I'm showing you is so you know what I thought of it. I didn't love it as much as the method. I don't think it tackles grease anywhere near as well as the method. I did really like the smell and I really love the washing up liquid, so I will definitely buy the washing up liquid again, but I don't think I'll pick this up again unless it's really good offer. The next thing I want to share with you is my hair dye. Now, I usually am not picky at all, as long as it's within the same dark brown colour or reddish tint colour. I'll just buy whatever is on offer, but this has become my favourite. It's Color Mask by Schwarzkopf. You know what I mean, right? Let me show you. Schwarzkopf. Anyway, I love the way this works. It works really well to cover my grey hair, but also it's a mask and not liquidy, so there's no drip. It works really fast, and I always get it from Home Bargains, and it costs, I'm sure, like £3.99, which is an awesome price. I was actually in Superdrug a couple of days ago and I couldn't find this particular type in there, so Home Bargains. The next thing I want to share with you, you might have seen it in my HomeSense or TK Maxx haul maybe a couple of months ago. But it's white sage and cilantro, which is coriander in the UK, candle. I think this candle was £5.99. It smells so good, so good, and it's a different type of smell from my usual fruity smells that I enjoy, but it still smells quite fresh. So I wanted to share with you in case you guys go into TK Maxx or in America's Home Goods and HomeSense, all of that stuff. And if you see it, give it a sniff. I think you'll like it. Now, the next thing I want to share with you is from Avon. I've got a couple of items from Avon. I'm really enjoying their products at the moment, and you might have seen this. They have had this for years, and it's called Skin So Soft Silky Moisture Nourishing Dry Oil Body Spray. I am not sure if that's going to come across. There you go. But this is the Lazy Woman's moisturizer. You literally, I spray it after a shower, like so. You probably didn't see that. And then I just do that, and it's rubbed in, and it smells so lovely. And bonus, it's a great insect repellent. Don't ask me why. It works. Years ago, I used to be an Avon rep, and loads of my customers told me about that it is excellent for insect repellent, but it smells really good. Next, I want to share with you my lipstick. I really like this colour. Let me bring you guys a little bit closer. I really, really like it. It's kind of a purpley, pinkish type of lipstick. It doesn't actually have a colour, but it's like this. It's a extra lasting lip balm, and it comes with a clear one, and this side helps plump up your lips, so it's got like that peppermint smell, so it makes it all tingly. But I just really love the colour, and it does last a really long time, so thought I would share that with you. Now, my final two products are actually products that I've bought and I'm going to try. So I wanted to show you what they were, and then hopefully in the next couple of months I'll let you know how I got on. The first one is an Avon Defend and Repair Advanced Hydration Overnight Mask. This is what it looks like. I bought it for the offer price of £10, but it's going to be £30. And I've heard really good reviews about this. So basically you use it 3 times a week, just before bed. You clean your face and then you put this on. If you have really, really dry skin, you might want to put some moisturizer on as well, but this does a good job moisturizing your face. I've tried it for a couple of nights and I just thought I would give it a try and see if it's any good. So I will let you know. And then the final product, and I don't have my hopes up too much about this one. It's a Root Cover Up Stick, dark brown, like this. God, this reflection is terrible. Can you guys see? There you go. Revolution. And then, there we go. Okay, so basically you're supposed to use this on your white hair. You see my roots are growing. I need to re-dye my hair, and it will help cover up. It's just a pencil. I don't know if this is going to work or not, but I will let you know if it does work. And that is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said before, if you do enjoy these type of videos, please give me a thumbs up so I know, and I know to do this type of thing for you every month. And I'll see you next time. Bye for now.